What's going on, guys? We got Junior and Lawson and Dustin. Hat made you laugh.
Why'd you make
here
me
from
laugh?
Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and today we are bringing to you the Custom Offsets 2021 Choice Awards. We are going over our YouTube influencers that we have online who built some of the baddest trucks of 2021, and we're gonna let you guys rate them. So we've got about 8-ish different trucks. We have several different trucks we're gonna be bringing to you guys, and I realize I don't want to say a hard number.
8-ish, what?
And we're gonna let you guys vote in the comment section below. All you have to do is write the name of your favorite builder from this video, and the winner is getting a crate from Custom Offsets. There's gonna be a bunch of goodies in there, to say the least.
Swag crate.
Swag crate, baby.
Let's go.
Who's first?
First up, we have Bug BMX in his 1999 VW Beetle. So it's not even a...
lit.
I think there's only one person here who's seen it in person, and that's you.
It is incredible. Listen, there's actual video footage of this thing driving down the road in the rear, like, because the spacers aren't true, they're like homemade. So the tires are just whoop, 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 whoop.
And he's got what, 33s on there with 22 by 12 Archon Da Vinci's?
Yeah, it's crazy, and it's not even like it's a massive setup, but because it's on a Bug, it looks huge. Plus, he's got like 6 spacers on each side.
out of the.
And isn't it Cummins swapped or something too?
Yeah, Cummins swap. It just got a 10-foot hood stack.
It's got a smoke switch on it.
Yeah.
You just gave it away, dude. Somebody now has that.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
You did a waffle for it, and somebody owns it now. It's wild.
So if you guys want to vote for Bug BMX, drop his name in the comments below. Next up. I forget already.
Street
Speed
Speed
717, bro.
dude.
How do you forget this truck?
What is it, 2021, 2020?
2020.
2020 at 450 dually.
Yeah.
He just like throwing it over the shoulder, bro. 450 already has my heart.
Yeah. 450 is like best truck you can buy.
I mean, yeah, if you're like a big tow guy, dude.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Or if you just want to lift it on, like a powder coated any level lift with
Facts.
Is that what he's
28, 40 autos.
I'm looking at my cheat sheet
like
right
40,
now.
42-inch tires, Fury Country Hunter MTs.
Huge.
He's got the diamond stitched leather like mats on the floor. He's got the load master that comes out of the bed.
And rumor has it that Whistling Diesel convinced him
to
buy that thing?
Yeah.
Interesting.
And someone also just won that.
He gave that away too?
He gave it away.
What the heck?
He gave
None
that
of these
away
trucks are
plus
going to be actually owned by the people we're
$20,000.
talking about.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. It's awesome.
It's actually Billy's truck from somewhere on the gram.
Congrats,
Bro,
Billy.
we went 0 to 100, by the way. Going from the Beetle to this 450 is just big difference. It's crazy.
And there's going to be more, so make sure you drop a comment below if you're voting for Street Speed 717. On to the next one.
Who's next? Can we talk about the K20 quick? Rhino's calling me right now.
Yeah.
Let's talk right now.
Okay.
All right.
Ryan, buddy, how are you?
Good, buddy. How you doing?
I'm doing well, man. Hey, we are live on set right now for this video we talked about, and I was just hoping that you could maybe give me a couple details on the K20 so that way we don't mess it up.
Well, I haven't signed a film release, but I need only green M&Ms in my green room.
Well, I can do that, honestly. For you, I would make that happen.
Okay, 86, K20. He's done pretty much everything to it. Axle swap, it's got a 05 Duramax in it. All HSP parts on it.
05, that's LLY, huh?
Correct.
Oh, nice. I know he put the lift in himself. I remember watching that one, and then like the wheels were 22.5s, right? He had those shaved down.
Yeah, shaved down to 22s.
Okay.
He's running RVP tires, I believe. No, I think they're RVP tires. 40s.
40s. See, we were wrong.
Yeah.
Junior thought they were 35s or maybe 37s. I'm glad we called you.
How tall is the lift then?
It's at least a 10.
It's big.
He's like hobbled together a few different things.
I suppose if it's solid axle swap.
The thing's massive, bro.
That's cool,
Straight
by
from
the way.
source. So if you guys want to vote for D-Max Rhino, he's the one who kind of documented the whole thing, even though it is Dedic's truck. D-Max Rhino, drop his name down in the comment section below. All right, guys, so next up for you, we have the Stradman with his 6x6 Jeep Gladiator.
Incredible.
Last year he had this thing, he was doing burnouts with it. I think he was the first I saw that had a Hellcat Gladiator that was kind of big, and now it's 6x6 swap. So sure, he had this last year, but it wasn't 6x6 swap last year. That was a 2021 thing, so we're counting it in the 2021 build.
So it's like same but different.
Same but different, but still same.
Yeah.
8-foot extended bed, 6 wheels and tires. Like,
Bro, how do you even order 6 wheels and tires? Like,
gotta order 2 spares.
yeah, like I don't even understand. We'll do it, but like you can't get that on the, like that's not normal on the website. But it looks super good. 42s, I think, right?
Yep.
BFG Baja TAs, right? big old nasty tires.
They
on
barely
there.
fit with the.
They almost hit the bedside. It's so freaking close.
It's crazy, and then he can obviously light them up with the supercharger, 707 horsepower.
The Hellcat engine,
yeah, and like if you guys know anything about Stratman, he loves speed. I was watching him race Alex Choi's nasty Huracan with his Bugatti. Like it's Bugattis, it's Ford GTs, it's all this crazy stuff. He's huge into supercars, fast cars. Now he's got himself a fast
tracks.
Yeah.
So if you want to vote for the Stradman, drop his name down below. You guys ready for who we have up next? I need my cheat sheet because there's too much stuff that I barely know what it means. But we have Cletus's mud truck build. So this thing.
Wait. I just want to say, I was at the Freedom Factory. I was there.
Can you sign my? So we got a Cat Eye single cab long bed Silverado with the Duramax.
Dale
engine.
truck.
Go!
However, it's got 5-ton axles underneath it.
It's not the Dale truck.
It's not the Dale truck.
He's got custom 8-lug wheels with BKT TR270
Those are
wheels.
tractor tires, by the way. BKTs are tractor tires.
So he's got tractor tires. Well, yeah, look at how big it is.
Yeah.
5-ton axles. He's got CNC overtime 20-inch shocks, all 4-link with custom sway bars. Like obviously.
20-inch shocks.
Guys, this isn't a 6-inch BDS lift kit you just take out of the box and put on. Like this thing is absolutely massive, and the amount of work you need to do to make something this big and functional is insane.
Wicked.
Like we said, 600 horsepower 6.6 Duramax with a SCS transfer case, and then Rusty custom side steps.
She's wild, bro. It's absolutely incredible.
And he jumps this thing.
How many Duramax engines are in that thing?
Just one.
Just one.
However, he did sell this thing to our next step. So before we get too far ahead, if you guys want to vote for Cletus, drop Cletus down below in the comments. But Cletus sold this bad boy to Whistling Diesel. Now, Whistling Diesel, we are not rating this thing as a Whistling Diesel truck. It's Cletus's. Whistling Diesel just got it as his other Monster Max, I believe is what he called it. Or his
truck,
yeah, but we're here to talk about,
His
which I'm
step
probably
stool.
going to also need a cheat sheet for, Monster Max 2.0, baby. So,
Incredible. Okay, let's talk for just a moment about the truck build by itself. This thing's massive, bro.
I still can't, like when I see the thumbnails and the photos of him standing next to it, it doesn't
click.
It doesn't
bro.
comprehend. Like, no compute.
It reminds me of that monster truck back in the day.
Bigfoot.
Yeah, Bigfoot.
It's bigger than Bigfoot.
It's
He
bigger
just posted something the
than
other day.
Yeah.
Bigfoot.
I
And
think Bigfoot held the
was
record. And
the biggest truck in the world, and he beat Bigfoot.
And he's got 2 engines.
Yeah.
And he's got 2 engines.
Which are
Twin
also, by the way,
LBZ
getting
engines.
some goodies
I
put
saw that.
on.
He's getting them built up.
Yeah.
He's also got, so his wheels are 46-inch tall, 36 lug wheels alone.
36 lug. Wop, wop, wop,
The
wop,
tires
wop,
are the
wop.
biggest tractor tire you can get. They're Goodyear OptiTrack LSWs. They're
1400s,
a 1400
What would
slash
you
30
put on that?
R46.
Combine.
What
That's a
tractor?
combine tire,
6
bro.
foot 10 inches tall by 4 feet 5 inches wide. Custom 4-linked around like 15 feet tall.
It's huge. It's huge. How do you get into that thing?
He just jumps out and like it looks like he hurts his ankles every time he falls out of
No,
it.
I thought he like jumps on his R8 to jump onto little
Oh,
Monster Max
maybe.
to jump onto Monster Max or something like that.
Monster Max has too much to see in the list in this video.
For real.
You're gonna just check out his channel because he does some pretty wild shit. But if you want to vote for Whistling Diesel and Monster Max 2, drop his name down below.
So up next is my boy Jack, aka Dirty Max Jack. We're here for the high country.
Yes, 2022 High Country. The thing is just clean and simple, which if you watch his videos talking about it, walking around it, that's all he talks about is how they wanted to go clean and simple. Two-tone, you got the sand and black, and it looks dope.
I didn't like that wrap color at first, but it's growing on me, bro.
Yeah,
I dig it. Like the more I see it.
Bandwagon.
He was. I remember coming in one morning and he was shit talking that crap. That color
No,
of
I
that
was
wrap.
not. Don't
He
say
was-
it like
he was
that.
shit-talking.
That's
Jack's
his
my
boy,
homie,
you can't say
dude.
that.
Don't
Anyways,
say
it's got
that.
2414 American Genesis.
The best
American
wheels
Force
ever.
Genesis.
Powder-coated gloss black to go with the whole theme of the truck. He's got the 33x14.5 Venom Power RTs on
That
there.
he got
Just
from
kinda-
Custom Offsets, by the way.
Let's go! Which like completes the build. Just very simple, clean.
Yeah.
He's got rock lights on it too, the wrap obviously, and that's about it. That's
Yeah.
all you need on a brand new truck.
It's
Yeah.
awesome.
That
Yeah,
was
all
fire.
of Jack's builds are super dope.
Anyways, if you guys want to vote for Dirty Max Jack, drop a
In the
comment
comments.
below.
And that's what we got for you guys on today's video. This is Custom Offsets Choice Awards Best Baddest Truck Builds of 2021.
Let's go.
If you guys want to build your truck and make it the baddest, CustomOffsets.com, baby. Let's go.
Hopefully we have all these trucks in the gallery so you can see more specs
Yeah.
because obviously there's a lot going on with some of these. We don't necessarily know all of it, so we're gonna try and hit up everybody, get all of their info into the gallery so you guys can check it all out there for all the deets if you want to build Monster Max 2.
Just make sure you guys vote. Comments below.
Drop
Pick your favorite
them.
one. We're sending somebody a loot crate and it's gonna be lit.